happening. And on the other side, I was also intimidated because we are deeply grateful and honored, Madam Rachel, that you have been able to gather all these powerful people in our society, in our lives. It is really outstanding. And we want to say thank you so much so that we can celebrate what you have been doing, not just today, but from time immemorial. I came across a small article, and the question was, do you save jobs or do you save human beings? It's almost a chicken and the egg situation. And at the end of the day, this write-up was saying that what is important is to save the human being. Empowering women is saving the human race. Once you have saved the human race, then the jobs will follow. So what you are doing is tremendous. All the ladies here, our great ladies, our mothers, our sisters, thank you so much. And with those few words, let me now call His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya. I don't know whether he shall be intimidated the way we are intimidated, but Your Excellency, the floor is yours. Come and address the gathering.